My name's Addison Schmidt, and I'm the owner-operator of Schmidt Metalworks. I've been welding for 13 years. I've been fortunate enough to weld quite a bit of different processes, yeah. Large fabrication, large gears, heavy fab, welding, flux core, 2-3-inch plate, all the way to TIG welding, stainless aluminum. This is the first welding respirator I've ever used. To be honest, I was pretty skeptical at first, and I liked it a lot more than I thought I was going to. I think where you can really save time is I don't like to weld with my safety glasses on. With this, your safety glasses are already there, especially if you are doing a lot of grinding and welding and maybe chipping slag. When you're welding dual shield flux core, it's very smoky wire. A lot of times you may wear a respirator underneath your hood, and that gets very bulky. Your hood doesn't come down all the way because it's bumping up against the respirator inside your mask. And so with this, everything's built in and it seals tight to your face. It's just a convenience of not being so bulky and everything all on your face at once. When you add a respirator and a welding hood, you're getting more weight on your head than you are with just this one. With your traditional welding mask, the size comparison, this is a lot narrower mask. If you're out in the field and just in the shop, if you got to get into a tight place, this mask will help you get there. It's not near as bulky, it's sleek, and it's tight to your face. Some changes that I'd like to see is a larger thumb tab. There is a thumb tab down here to flip the hood up and down. When you're welding, a lot of times you have big, bulky gloves on. It just needs to either be, bigger so that you can get your glove on it. Stronger spring, maybe that way it actually slams down. It comes down just fine, but it could slam down a little bit harder, and possibly moving the screen down half an inch is just a few of the things I could recommend, but other than that, it's got 6 straps. The silicone seal is nice and comfortable. Your face doesn't get hot. It's a comfortable mask, and it does the job.